Great new feature that we have for the LT-3300 is its notification features. So one of the great things is you can actually individually control each LED up to 255 different colors. So this allows for a lot of flexibility in notifying you visually on the dimmer of what's going on in your house. We also have here as an example is, let's say your garage door is open and it's been left open for a long time. Well, we can have it where it's automatically flashing a red light, notifying you that that door has been open. This can also be done, for example, is with geofencing. If the kids are safely at school, they'll turn all the LEDs on the dimmers around your house to green, so you know that little Timmy has made it there okay. Also, we can actually do a different color. As you can see here, it's blue, but we can change the default color to any color that you want at any level that you want.